Hey beauties, it's Shaq
and Shaina.
And today we have a great video for you.
Today we're going to be doing a full face of rejected products, things that we made that never made it to launch.
So if you want to see how we got this look and what products did not make it, stay tuned and watch. Shall we show them some eyeshadows?
I think we should.
I think we should. So they're separated but not for any reason,
order,
yeah.
Some are by collection and some are just a bunch of randoms thrown into a palette. A bunch
Right.
of randos, you know? So here I have a lot of green tones, some brown. Here I have some colors.
And then I have these. You have anything else? Any shadows? More shadows?
Yeah, I do have some.
Shaina has so many shadows.
These too.
She's not a minimalist like I am.
Yeah. Not like Shaq. You know, minimalist.
So let's start with eyeshadows, shall we?
I think we should.
Do these have names? I don't even know if they have names.
They have codes. So if you look at the back, they're going to say a code with 2 letters and then some numbers.
Well, mine says the number 2 and 100%.
I think I have a highlighter that says 2X pink on it. So we'll get
Sure.
to see that later.
So I'm thinking for like my brow bone, I might use number 5. I don't know. I'm going to go in with my highlighter first. What about you, Shaina?
I'm going to go with my crease shade first.
I'm going to start with the number 2, 100%.
I'm going to start with RR 900-094.
Oh my God, I was not
ready for that?
ready for that. I'm going to go in my green shades, but I like this brown right here. We don't have a brown like this, and we should really make one like this.
We should. That's what I'm using right now.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
See? Tell us what you guys think. Tell us if you think these colors are awesome.
Tell us what you'd want to see us actually come out with, because
Yes.
it might not have worked for a project that we came out with, but it could be for upcoming projects, you know?
Yeah, I'm trying to blend this as much as possible.
Yeah, it's very
to calm down that number 2, 100%. I'm gonna go in with color 42C.
I'm gonna go in with some of the green shades right here.
Ooh, Sheena. I'm gonna put this in the crease. Oh my goodness. Why don't we have this color? It's so pretty. I'm gonna go in with this color. It's labeled on the 43A. We're going to just hit the corner of the eye. Oh my gosh. Next, I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna apply some. Oh my God.
I want to add
That
some
is
peach
so pretty.
to my transition.
Sorry, go
Okay,
ahead.
Shaq?
Yes.
I'm gonna add some peach to my transition, so I'm gonna grab this shade right here.
I'm using this color right here to darken the crease. I'm gonna add a topper. So now I know that you guys probably know about our Bossy Eyes, our liquid eyeshadows, and I'm gonna take a flat brush and apply that to my lid.
So I'm gonna take this duochrome shade and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Go into this silvery sort of metallic color and put that on my lid.
Let's see. Ooh.
I'm gonna take this goldy greeny color and put that in between the 2 shades I have going on right now. I'm gonna take this satin shade. It's not as metallic as the one on my lid, and I'm gonna put that on my brow bone to blend it in and highlight.
I'm gonna take this purple. It's called UV, and I'm gonna use it as my inner corner highlight. All right.
I wish we had a green highlighter in here.
I'm gonna take a little bit of this color and I'm gonna use it under my lash line.
I'm gonna take some of this color. It's like a gold green duochrome, and I'm gonna put that under my lash line.
So now that we're done with eyes, should we start?
Yeah, time to do the face. So I have a bunch of bronzer, contoury type shades here. A random blue eyeshadow.
And I have several different highlighters. I don't know if you know, but we make highlighters here. And sometimes we get funky.
For my highlight, I'm gonna go with this one, X3 light pink.
Let me see. That's pretty. PP. This is PP. I don't know why.
Pink petal. I labeled that one.
Shaina labeled a highlighter PP. So.
Well, you have UV and PP.
PP.
And then I have some blushes right here. So these were potential Samantha March collab blushes.
Ah, I have some blush right here. What is this? These are 3 blushes in one. Do you know the story behind? Are these 3 existing blushes?
It looks like our Island Time blushes in one.
In one?
Yeah.
Why not?
On the go, you know?
Why not? All right, I think I'm going to use PP.
How exciting. So first I'm gonna bronze.
I like to highlight first.
I like the bronze.
All right, so we have these bronzers that Shaina's using right now. I'm gonna go with this color. And lastly for me, I'm gonna take the bronzer. So that was the matte shade. This is the bronzing shade, and a bronzer can be used all over the face.
I use it all over my face.
Ooh.
Now I'm gonna go into the highlighter to highlight my cheekbones and the inner corners of my eye. So I want to say this shade was a version of what could have been glazed donut.
Ah.
It's pinker than glazed donut is now, and it's whiter than our pink highlight, which is pillow talk. So it's a good in between.
I like that.
It's pretty.
I'm gonna add a little bit of our UV to. Ooh.
So we're gonna swatch different lippies. We have some long-lasting liquid lipsticks, some flexi slicks, some lip glosses, and they're in fun, funky colors. So
Let's see what you guys think. And these are the swatches we came up with. Look at them.
we got some grays, greens, golds, some peaches.
We have a lot of fun categories here.
We do.
But definitely tell us what is your favorite from here. And I mean, maybe some of these are still coming out. Who knows?
I don't know.
The girls are mysterious. Do you know what you're gonna wear, Shaina?
I think I'm gonna go in with a gloss. What do you think?
Yes,
What about
I
you?
like that. I don't know what mine are, but I'm gonna go with these 2. I think they're flexies.
I think they are too.
Okay.
Or maybe lipsticks. I think those are lipsticks.
Liquid lipsticks?
Yeah, metallics.
Oh, I love that.
So I'm going with this gloss. It's kind of white pink. There's like a shift to it, which is really cool.
I'm gonna go with this purple, which is metallic-y. Oh. These are definitely liquid lipsticks.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna put the lighter one in the middle. I look great.
Yeah. It's a look. I think you should wear it just like that.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
I don't like it.
It's okay. It's a reject.
I'm gonna take this off real quick. I went with the lighter one instead. All right. So what do you say, Shaina? We do our mascaras, eyeliner off camera.
Yep.
And we'll be right back.
Be right back. All right, Beauty. So this is our looks full of rejected product.
Let us know if you think that we fooled you and some of these items are actually coming out, and which ones do you think are actually coming out? Because I think they are, some of them.
Ooh.
Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet.
Turn on the bell for the notifications whenever we upload a new video.
And give us a like. And we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Shaina, such a diva. No. She has her own drawer. I don't have a drawer here.
She has 3 desks.
People don't need to know. I'm trying to get this guy. He is here, isn't he? Is it 4:30 already? That is your napkin.
I like this. Just so you know.
Why?
You're trying to get eyeshadow.
Give me the spray hand sanitizer, please. It's my fault.
It is.
It's my fault. This is my no. Move your napkin away from me, please.
Put it there. I haven't touched the napkin since I licked it.
What?